Okay, I'll make it short. 2007 through 2010 Toyota Sienna. During a spark plug replacement, I ripped off this sensor socket, and these are the three wires here. Black and white, blue and white, and yellow. And here's the sensor here that's showing behind, just right behind the wires. It's between the first and second rear coils, first from the driver's side, of course, and the rear ones there towards the firewall. So it's called the VVT sensor, bank 1 sensor 2, according to the wiring diagram. So I'm trying to show you the sensor itself. Yeah, this one. But what we need is what is the socket? This is the old socket. It's not reusable. We cannot use it because you have to take out the metal pins from the inside. So might as well just buy it. The OEM goes between $8 and $10, but it comes with nothing, not even the water insulation that you see here, the gray ones. So there's an aftermarket kit. Let me show you the part number first. Okay, this is the part. It's called 90980-12353. That's the socket that comes with nothing, no wires, nothing. You still have to buy 3 wires or pin repair kit. That's part number 82998-24250. This one goes around $9, and the problem, the wires goes around $13 each. So that's OEM from the... Okay, now here's the aftermarket. It's exactly the same socket, but the wires are not color coded. So they're all black because they apply to multiple, sockets. So only you need to know which one goes where. So where the blue goes, blue and white, black and white, and yellow. Okay, so you can see it's the same one here. Okay, but the seller, the aftermarket seller, did just they added the wires to it, and it just saves us some time and work. Next I'm going to show you which color goes where. Okay, here's the diagram. If you look here at the top left corner, these are the VVT sensor wiring. If you see here, it's VVT sensor bank 1 sensor 1. So bank 1 is the back towards the firewall. This is bank 2 sensor 1, which we're not going to deal with today. It's towards the front of the car. This is what we're looking for. Bank 1 sensor 2. How do we know? Well, this is the color code. BW means black and white. LW means blue and white. L stands for blue. Yeah, doesn't make sense. Yeah, L stands for blue, blue and white, and the Y stands for yellow. So what we're going to do here, the first wire that goes out of the number 1, the closest to number 1, you remember what we explained, the numbers, the first one from the yeah, that's shiny now. First one from the right hand, if you leave the socket on top, the clip, the fastener, the security clip from top, you're going to look here and read. So the wire from the right is the BW, black and white. The one in the middle is supposedly number 2, it's going to be the blue and white. And number 3, let me give you some focus here, so you can see the numbers. It's it's going to be the yellow. So this is yellow, it's number 3, and this is number 1. Good, focus. If you can't see it, if it's not, yeah, I can see it now. Just make sure you're not flipping them upside down. You can tell this is like an OEM socket, but the wires are not. I mean, the aftermarket seller they inserted the wires inside and providing those waterproof rubbers. And from where I can tell, the wires are in good quality, up to 300 volts. So we're going to go ahead and I'm not going to solder them because it's really a tight place. What I'm going to do, I just bought from Walmart these shrink tube. It's called butt connector, and after you connect them, you can use a lighter or a torch just to heat them up, and they will shrink, as you see here. Alright, they shrink. The place is tight. I'm not going to solder them. It's very hard. If this thing works, I'll keep the video for like 2 weeks. Everything goes well, I'm going to upload the video on YouTube. If not, I'm just going to delete the video. So the perfect job is to solder them, but the place is really tight, and it's really it's not an easy job to do a soldering job here in that place. So just butt connectors. What I did, this is the black and white. I colored it so I don't mix them up. And this is the blue and white. I gave it some dots. And this is the yellow, number 3. It's going to be here. So I kept it clear. So hope everything will work. I'm going to show you the tool that I use to, once I insert the wire here, I crimp it. I just crush it and it stays here. So far it's holding up, and it's long enough to withstand the vibration of the engine. So I thought this information is not available online or on YouTube in these details, so I thought of just helping you out, guys, because a lot of people are doing it, making this mistake, ripping off this sensor that you cannot see while changing the spark plugs. Okay, I exposed the 3 wires now more, so you can use the butt connector using this tool. I use the smallest size, which is gauge from 20 to 22, the smallest one here. I got this tool from Walmart many years ago. It works well, never gave me a problem. So I use the smallest size because it's just a small wire here, and we're going to use the top here to crush the butt connector. We're going to use the top ball here. Okay, we finished connecting the 3 wires with the socket here. We exposed the butt connector for some heat with a lighter. I'm going to insert them back into this protective sleeve. That's the one that came with the car. So, and after that we're going to finish the work, reconnect this wire, the socket, and we're done. I'm going to add some electrical tape just in case. I know this tape's not going to live that long, but it's better than nothing. Okay, to finalize, this is where you start. Look for the part. In my case, I found it on Amazon because it's a Prime, so I was able to get it within 2 days. So this is what you search for. You don't have to buy this specifically. These are the search words: engine camshaft position sensor. You don't have to type in VVTI, etc. No, try to look this. It says for Toyota, Lexus, and Sienna. So for me, I got exactly what I wanted. It is an OEM socket, but the seller what they did, they just brought 3 wires and they pinned them at the back, so they saved me some time, and they saved me with the they saved me some money. Instead of paying $50, I paid only around $13 with free shipping from Amazon, as I am a Prime member. But make sure it's the three wire thing. And of course, you're going to match the part numbers, etc. The one I showed you. You search for it, you're going to get one of those results. So again, it's not a copper wire, but it worked okay. On the other hand, these are the connectors I bought from Walmart. It's called EverStart Plus Heat Shrink Splice connectors. Note here where my pointing is the gauge. The higher the number, the thinner the wire, the smaller diameter. So this is what you want, 22 to 16 or something closer. You need only 3, but of course for $7 it's a good chance for you to know how to connect wires using this kind of connectors. Train yourself how to connect wires prior to going under the hood, because you're going to use a lighter to shrink them. Do it once or twice. Once you feel yourself comfortable, start the business under the hood. Okay, this is the end of my video. I'm going to upload it 2 to 3 weeks after doing the whole process to see what's going on. If everything goes well, I'm going to upload the video and let you know about the results in the comments below. And if you find it's a good video, just give it a thumb up, just to encourage me to do another one. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day.